Here is how to use a TikTok-like bot in 2026 instantly. First, go to nizop.com using the link in the description below. Once you are on the site, just create an account or log in via Google to get in immediately. Next, you need to add funds. Go to the deposit section. You can top up using your card, crypto, and more options. It is really fast, so you can start pushing your videos right away. Now go to New Order. Click the search bar and type TikTok likes. Then choose the third option, which costs $2 per 1,000 likes. This is a great price for this quality. From there, you add your post link. In this video, let's test this with 20 likes, then tap order now. The system will start processing it instantly. Here's how it went and the likes got in. I refreshed the page after a 5-minute wait and you can see the count going up. It went from 0 action to our target amount really fast. If you want to try this out, go to Nizop using the link in the description below. It is the best way to get quick engagement. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides in 2026.